Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Canva, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install Canva, start by opening your web browser. Type Canva into the search bar and press enter. Look for the official Canva website in the search results. Click on the link to the Canva website to visit it. Once the website loads, locate the sign up or login button. If you don't have an account, select sign up. You will be presented with several sign-up options. Choose to sign up with your email, Google, or Facebook account. If signing up with email, enter your email address and create a password. After filling in your information, click the Get Started button. If you chose Google or Facebook, follow the prompts to log in. Once signed up, you will be taken to the Canva dashboard. To install the Canva app on your device, scroll to the bottom of the home page. Look for the Apps section and click on it. Select your device type, Windows, Mac, iOS, or Android. For Windows or Mac, click to download the desktop application. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the download. For mobile devices, open the App Store on your phone. Type Canva into the search bar of the App Store. Find the official Canva app and tap Install. Once the installation is complete, open the app. Log in with the account you created earlier. Now you are ready to start designing with Canva. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.